coming. Untethered realms come into view. Don't give a damn where we go or what might be, as long as I'm right here with you. It's gonna be alright, alright again. So baby, just hold tight. Wanderlust begins. Wanderlust begins. We can head down to the border. We can sink into the sea. Behind the mystery of every waking dream is a constant craving to be free. It's gonna be alright, alright again. So baby, just hold tight.